Hello Standard 4 students, welcome to all of you. Today we will start the chapter 6. The chapter 6, that is the chapter 6 is the coastal plains and island groups. Indian coastal plains and island groups. Okay. So now we'll start. Open the page 46. Open the page 46. This is the India map. And where is the coastal plain and island groups? Coastal plain is this is the western coastal plain, the west side, and eastern coastal plains near the sea, near the ocean. This is the Arabian Sea. The ocean touches the land, and that is the coastal area. And here also the Bay of Bengal touches the land, that is the eastern coastal plain. This is the eastern coastal plains. This is the western coastal plains. Okay. In your book, it has already marked eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Okay. So, where is the coastal plain? Lie the west of the Western Ghats and east of the Eastern Ghats. East of the Eastern Ghats and west of the Western Ghats. The southern tip of mainland, this is the southern side. This is the northern side, Indian northern side, eastern side, western side, southern side. The southern tip of the mainland is called as the Kanyakumari. The southern tips, that is eastern coastal plain, western coastal plain. And eastern coastal plains lies near the west of the western coastal plain, lies the west of the Western Ghat. This is the Western Ghat, and Eastern Deccan Plateau divides the southern part in the western coastal plain, eastern coastal plain. Okay, this is the eastern side, this is the western side. This is the west, eastern coastal plain, western coastal plain. Okay, so the western tips of mainland is called as this is the tip is called as the Kanyakumari. It is in the Tamil Nadu, nearby the island. Okay, nearby the island, that is Vivekananda Memorial. Okay, we'll go to that point. Then what is Peninsula? The book has given the Peninsula. What is Peninsula? Peninsula means the southern part which is covered by three sides ocean. The southern India is surrounded by, east is the Bay of Bengal, west is the Arabian Sea, and south is the Indian Ocean. So it is called Peninsula. All of you understand? The India has long coastal line of 6,000 kilometers from here to here, Gujarat, Rann of Kutch to West Bengal, there is 6,000 kilometers. 6,000 kilometers. Okay, 6,000. It starts from Rann of Kutch in the north side. North side is the Rann of Kutch from Kanyakumari to West Bengal. This is the coastal plains. These coastal plains it lies 6,000 kilometers in India. Okay, and the Deccan Plateau divides the western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Deccan Plateau. This is the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau divides the southern part. The southern part divides the southern part into two parts. Eastern coastal plain is the eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. Okay, all of you. Then the western coastal plains divided into three parts. The western coastal plains divided into three parts. First is the Kathiawar part. First is the Kathiawar. Kathiawar coast. Then Konkon coast. The Kannada coast is the Konkon coast. Then Malabar coast. Three parts. Here Kerala to Kanyakumari, Malabar coast. This is from Maharashtra to Karnataka. That is Goa. Between Goa, that is called Kannada coast. Konkon coast. Kannada coast. Konkon coast. Konkon coast. Then here is the Kathiawar coast. Kathiawar coast, Konkon coast, Malabar coast. Okay. Then Mumbai. Here Mumbai. Mumbai is the commercial capital of India, located in this western coast. This western coast, there is a capital, commercial capital, that is Mumbai in Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital is the Mumbai. Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. Okay, understand all of you? Then Konkon coast. This Konkon coast rich in oil deposit. And Malabar coast is the largest number of lagoons. Here is the lagoons. Okay, here is the lagoons, and here is the lagoons. Malabar coast, lagoons. Where there is lake, some lakes are there. Lagoons, the sea and the river meet in one point. That is called lagoons. The lagoons, what are lagoons? Lagoons are the small and shallow saltwater lake. River is the sea is the salt water. River is the sweet water, not salt water. When the river and the sea touches in one point, that is called lagoon. Chilika Lake is the lagoon. The largest lake lagoon is the largest lagoon in the Orissa. That is called Chilika Lake, where the bird sanctuary is there. Bird sanctuary. So what are lagoons? Lagoons are small and shallow saltwater lake. Okay, saltwater lake, which here lagoons are there. Here lagoons are saltwater lake or ponds or pond. Saltwater lakes or pond that coat themselves with one another canal. That is called lagoons. Okay. So here are the lagoons. This is the Chilika lagoon. Here are also lagoons. So Malabar coast is the full of lagoons. And Kannada coast, that is the Konkon coast. Konkon coast is full of what? Konkon coast, oil deposit. Oil Mumbai High. Here is the Mumbai High. Oil deposit. Mumbai High. Here Mumbai High is the oil deposit. So Konkon coast has oil deposit. The western coastal plains divided into three parts. One is Malabar, Konkon, then Kathiawar coast. That is Kathiawar coast. Kathiawar coast, Malabar coast, Konkon coast. Okay, three coasts. Konkon coast is full of oil deposit and Malabar coast is full of what? Malabar coast is the largest lagoons are there. Eastern coastal plains is the largest lagoon, that is Chilika Lake, and here the lagoons, some lagoon lakes are there. Okay, lagoons. Then states. What are the western coastal, which states are connected to the western coastal plains? Gujarat, that is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala are in the Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra. These all are in the western coastal plains. Then climate. What are the climate? Climate are hot and humid climate throughout the year. That are hot and humid climate throughout the year. Okay. Then people of Gujarat are what? The traders and farmers. People of Gujarat are People of Gujarat are traders and farmers. Then come to the eastern coastal plain. Hala? Eastern coastal plain. It also divided. It is divided into western coastal plain divided into three parts. But here the eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts. That are northern Sarkar. Upper side is the northern Sarkar. Upper side is this is Kathwada. This is northern Sarkar, and this is Coromandel coast. The most largest coast is the Coromandel coast. Coromandel coast is the largest coast. Out of three and these two, Coromandel coast is the largest. That is the express. Coromandel Express is their railway line. Railway Express, Coromandel coast. Okay. Then eastern coastal plains is famous for Marina Beach in China. In Chennai. Marina Beach in Chennai. Okay. Chennai is the here. Chennai. Okay. And the Tamil Nadu. Chennai. Okay. Chennai. Okay. Tamil Nadu. Okay. The Marina Beach. Here is the Marina Beach. Here is the Goa Beach. Western coastal plain, Goa Beach is famous. And eastern coastal plains, the Marina Beach. Marina Beach is in the Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay. So the states are, what are the states? Here the states are there. Here also eastern coastal plains. Which states are connected to the eastern coastal plains? Here is the Karnataka, the Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra. But here eastern coastal plains is the also Karnataka. Here eastern coastal plains, Karnataka, West Bengal, Orissa, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Some parts of Karnataka also. Some part of Karnataka also here. Some parts of Karnataka. Little parts of Karnataka. Major parts of Karnataka is the little parts of Karnataka. Eastern coastal plain. Karnataka, then Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Orissa, West Bengal. These are all included in the eastern coastal plain. Near Kanyakumari, there is a small island, which is a beautiful island. That is called Victoria Memorial. That is Vivekananda Memorial. Sorry, Victoria Memorial. That is, in Calcutta that is Victoria Memorial. But in the Tamil Nadu that is Vivekananda Memorial. Is a small island near the Kanyakumari. It is a beautiful island. Beautiful island to look at. The landscape. Okay. Here the Vivekananda got the meditate them himself. Okay. And got the lightened. Okay. So the farming. What are the farming here? Farming is the shrimp farming. SHRIMP, shrimp farming. Here, look at the book. The shrimp farming. SHRIMP, shrimp. The shrimp farming. It is Andhra Pradesh. Shrimp farming is famous for the Andhra Pradesh. Here, shrimp farming, page 49. Shrimp farming, it is aquaculture. That is called aquaculture. Water farming. Prawn, fish, crab. They do in the different styles. Okay, that is called aquaculture. Water farming. That is called shrimp farming. It is the main occupation of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is famous for shrimp farming. SHRIMP. Shrimp means aquaculture, water farming. That is fish, prawn, crab. Okay. So in the eastern coastal plain is famous for shrimp farming. Okay. Then island group. It is always all about the eastern coastal plains, but our topic is the eastern coastal plains and island group. Then come to the island group. Island group is the two islands, Lakshadweep and Here is Arabian Sea, that is Lakshadweep. Here Lakshadweep, and in the Bay of Bengal, that is Andaman and Nicobar. Two islands are there. First come to the Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar is in the Bay of Bengal, and there are 572 islands. 572 islands, but people live in the 32 out of them. Out of them, people live 38. 38 islands are inhabited. Out of 572, 38 islands, the people are inhabited. People live in that 38 island. It is inhabited. But uninhabited, out of 72 minus 38, all are inhabited. Okay. Then southern tips of Andaman and Nicobar is Indira Point. Southern tips. Here is the Indira Point. Indira Point. Andaman Nicobar, the southern part. It is northern part. Upper is the northern part, lower is the southern part. The southern part is called as the Indira Point. It is an important question, Indira Point. Okay. The southern tips. Okay. The southern part. The southern part of the Andaman Nicobar is called Indira Point. Okay. It has also active volcanoes are there. Barren lands are there. Barren lands are there. Active volcanoes are there. And Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. It is a union territory. It is also a union territory. Union territory. These are all in. These two are union territory, not state. Union territory. But Goa is a small state. In India, Goa is a small state. But these Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar are union territories. Okay. And Port Blair is the capital of Andaman Nicobar. And the Lakshadweep, in Lakshadweep, it is close to the Malabar coast. It is close to the Malabar coast. Here is the Malabar coast, Konkan coast, Kathada coast. So the Lakshadweep is near to the Malabar coast, and it has 43 islands inhabited. 43. Here 38 islands people are living. Here 43 islands the people are living. Okay. Then Kavaratti is the capital. In the Lakshadweep, the Kavaratti is the capital. Here the Port Blair is the capital. Here in this island, Lakshadweep Island, the Kavaratti is the capital. Okay, of Lakshadweep Islands. And in this island, Lakshadweep Island, in the Arabian Sea, the Lakshadweep Islands, there is a cellular jail that is called Kodapani. Those who are wicked, they sent to the Kodapani. The prisoners of the freedom fighters, prisoners, they are sent to the Kodapani. That is the punishment area. That is a punishment area of the culprit. Those who are captured as the culprit, those are thieves, those are freedom fighters. They are also sent to in the British period. All the Indian freedom fighters were sent to the Kodapani for the punishment. It is very far away. And going, it is difficult to go there. In the ship, they are carried away and they left there. So they cannot come to the point. That come to the region. Those who are those to do strike or demand or any rally. So the freedom fighters, they sent to the cellular jail that is called Kodapani. Here, Lakshadweep, there is a cellular jail in the British period to send the freedom fighters to there to live for some years. Okay, so it is all about the island group. The capital is the Kavaratti. Your capital is the Andaman Nicobar capital is the Port Blair. The barren land there, active volcanoes there. Here also active volcanoes there. Here there is a lagoons. Lagoons, the Chilica is a lagoons. Okay. Here also lagoons. Okay. It is all about the coastal plains and island groups. Okay. So it is all about. It has already written. Okay. Coastal plains, 2 parts. Okay. The eastern coastal plain, 2 parts. Andaman Nicobar. the Gujarat, the traders and farmers, all about it. What I have told you, it is all about it in the whiteboard. So the photograph also sent to WhatsApp group, this photograph. So you write from this photograph, you expand it and you write down. Okay, it is all about the chapter 6. Okay, thank you all of you.